service management as a concept is well understood within the IT, right?
Yeah.
Because it's there for a long time. If we talk to CIOs will get it. But as ESM is now crossing the boundaries, right, getting into the wider business operations, how do you articulate ESM as a concept to non-IT executives?
For me, service management or IT service management should have never been, or service management should never have been a concept restricted to IT. Service management, at its core, works with fundamentals that can be applied to any service, for that matter, be it HR, be it finance, be it legal, anything. Now, when we speak with any of the customers who have experienced IT service management but are still thinking of moving into enterprise service management, I think the key talking point becomes you have everything that is needed as building blocks in terms of IT service management. Why not evolve it to different departments and unify them as a common platform or common organization framework for your services to run? Now, one of the key benefits that you have to talk about is that, first of all, there would be normalization of data. Normalization of data in huge sense. Same people data gets utilized by finance, HR, and IT. But when we are segregated them, or we are working with them in silos separately, we are just creating 3 data banks, and in the inconsistency is everywhere. When we do that, when we do enterprise service management a way of working, or when we adopt enterprise service management way of working, we are actually creating a common data pool for all the services to utilize. The updates become very consistent. The usage of data is I think more reliable. And when we talk about AI in that context, I think rather than just ITSM, the data residing in ITSM, when compared to data residing as an ESM platform, as in an ESM platform, makes more sense to create your own LLM and work through AI models. Your knowledge that you create for, let's say, IT in IT service management system, when gets married to financial management and HR management, it creates a huge value. How the personas behave, because at the end of the day, IT service be it IT service management, be it financial management, be it HR management, it is addressing the personas of employees, right? And there should not be 3 different ways of working through those personas in 3 different departments. It actually elevates the employee experience to a great extent if they get a similar experience across the services, be it IT, be it HR, be it finance. And enterprise service management quite does the same, right? It brings you on the same platform, the same set of services, and when you start talking in the same way, the employee thinks, okay, this is the organization I'm working for. There are no different teams. I'm working for the organization. There's a common way of interacting for services, common way for onboarding, offboarding, getting my laptop done, getting my pay slips generated if there is some error, correcting some financial things, everything through same portal, same way of interaction. So when the CXOs discuss this with us, it's primarily this value proposition we give. Now, another important aspect is, Samitra, which I think is very important to touch here, is that CIO, CHRO, and CFO are 3 different entities. As an IT service management, I would say, owner, which would be a CIO, it's very difficult for me to talk to CHRO or CFO and say, take my standards on, take my way of working on. That's where it's very important that enterprise service management discussions are created at CEO level, because that's where CEO would be able to bring the departments together and say, this is what we are looking for. So if as a strategy, I would like to talk to CIO first, but I would like to CEO for enterprise service management, rather than just going to being a proponent of IT service management, being a proponent of ESM. I have to go one level up, and that's where I'll be able to convey the value better.